What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the ICO Investor channel. And today we're going to talk about another high-potential project called Muon Network. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I am not a professional financial advisor, so please do your own research. So without further ado, let's begin to our topic. Muon Network is a decentralized nodes as a service network that enables running Web2, Web3 applications, off-chain, on-chain, and cross-chain. The network acts as a base layer that bridges the division between blockchains, creating a fluid DeFi ecosystem. The Muon layer exists between blockchains, connecting different protocols and allowing them to talk to each other, ensuring blockchain interoperability. Redefine what we thought possible with blockchain. GameFi. Decentralized computation, storage, and hosting, and a proprietary oracle for play-to-earn economies. DeFi. Decentralized cloud services and white-label liquidity bootstrappers including farms, bridges, and staking, along the first 10 milliseconds frequency oracle. dApps. Putting the decentralized in dApps. Remove centralized points of cloud failures, node networks, and data security. These are key benefits for Muon. Seamless scalability. Muon is a scalability infinite decentralized node network. It is not bound by the maintenance of state constraints since it is not a chain and does not keep data indefinitely. Any Web3 application that uses Muon may rely on the legitimacy, security, and near-instantaneous reaction times of external data. Decentralized computation. Muon is a decentralized node network with limitless scalability. Because it is not a chain and does not maintain data permanently, it is not subject to the maintenance of state limitations. Any Muon-powered Web3 application may rely on the validity, security, and near-instantaneous response times of external data. This structure opens up Muon dApps to a much broader range of functions, bridging different blockchains, oracles, and off-chain data, rather than being limited to a single chain. Go anywhere or think outside of the box. Muon is the open universe's Amazon Web Services. Computing, validating, and transferring data across blockchain protocols and dApps in a secure manner. Consider Muon Bridges to be a cross-chain data application that is not confined to tokens. With Muon, any form of data may be bridged across the chain. Muon Token Use Case. The transaction fee is used primarily to pay for the insurance of the node's stake, which is used to verify the transaction, and also for the actual node infrastructure. The amount sent is divided between the nodes that process the transaction. The Muon protocol aims to be a low-cost, decentralized infrastructure, similar to AWS, rather than a common, expensive blockchain infrastructure. Muon's Utility-Token is the building block of the Muon ecosystem and provides incentives to network participants. The token exists on multiple chains, with transactions saved simultaneously across each one. The token is included as payment for transactions when data is requested and nodes provide and verify that data. 30% of the tokens will be utilized to give incentives to nodes that will be launched in the next 30 months. 19% is allotted to the team with a 12-month vesting cliff and will be unlocked in 18 months. 15% will be sold in 3 rounds of private sales over the course of 19 months. Another 15% will be utilized to offer early liquidity on exchanges with liquidity incentives, with the remaining 15% accessible in 12 months. 10% will be sold to early strategic investors at the seed phase and will be unlocked in 38 months. Muon partners and advisors will get 6% with a 12-month vesting cliff and will be unlocked in 12 months. The rest 5% will be utilized to cover marketing expenditures over the next 30 months. The private sale round for partners and strategic investors is currently ongoing. Public sales starts thereafter will be open to the DAOs Finance and DAO Maker communities, as well as Muon whitelist applicants. Muon's decentralized autonomous nodes function similarly to a virtual private server and can thus run everything that can be run on a Linux server. Instead of being constrained to a single chain, this framework allows Muon dApps to perform a considerably larger range of services by linking different blockchains, oracles, and off-chain data. Muon is an open-source platform for building and managing decentralized networks of nodes, oracles, bridges, or off-chain workers. Built on top of the Bitcoin protocol, Muon connects all applications on all chains with the world outside the Bitcoin network. Nodes communicate, read and transmit data to any chain quickly, efficiently, and securely via a sonar-like system of autonomous nodes, which can speak and understand any language. The Muon network is constantly developing and has been in use since the initial prototype was built. Each partner and project contributes new use cases and modules, speeding up the process even further. As you can see here, Muon has lots of new updates to develop to make it more comfortable to user using Muon network. The roadmap. Some of Muon plans have already completed, like Lightpaper release last October 2021 and Muon v3 update release last November 2021. As we can see, Muon has a lot of plans to improve their network. Here are the partners of Muon network: Deus Finance, Raptor Finance, Fear, and many more. And here are the projects or dApps in Muon: Madcock, Araya, and DinoX. Let me introduce to you the team of Muon network. Reza, the co-founder and chief engineer; Lafayette Tabor, co-founder and visioneer; Theo, co-founder and strategist; Polar, co-founder and head of developer relations, and others. Let's take a look at Muon Network Twitter page. They started their official page back at April 2021 and currently have 14.7k followers. Let's take a quick look. Muon pinned post: redefine blockchain's capabilities and empower it along with Muon. Decentralized cloud computing, link symbol cross-chain bridge interfacing, lock secure oracles for gaming, DeFi and dApps. And that's all for Muon Network. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at ICO Investors. Thank you for watching.